We're gonna be unboxing the Starlink internet. So let's go ahead and get started. It's a pretty big box. We got two tapes down here. Let's go ahead and open these two tapes down here. So this is how it got shipped. It was not shipped inside another box. It just had a label there. Let's go ahead and see what's inside. There's some plastic padding here. We got the mount here. This is seems to be metal. Another padding here. Seem to have the dish here. There's nothing on the other side. We got the modem down here. And we have the power cord here. And that's basically it. There's nothing else in the bottom. So let's take a look at the modem. So it does have a good weight to it. We do have the power cord and the other cord here. Does not want to focus. So the wires are going to exit here through the back once you put it down. So the wires should come out through here. Does not seem to have a power button or anything anywhere. So I'm guessing you turn it on through the app or it automatically powers on. I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see what it does, what kind of speeds it gives us. I'm gonna go ahead and install it and see what kind of speeds it gives us. So we have the Starlink satellite here. This is just gonna be temporary. The roof mount hasn't arrived yet, so I'm just gonna put it here so I can turn it on and see how the speeds are. I plan to install it around there, so hopefully the mount arrives quick. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see what it does. So this is the first time plugging in the Starlink modem. Let's go ahead and plug it in. So we get no lights, no nothing off it. Let's go ahead and enter the app. I'll go ahead and configure everything. This is my old modem, the Centralink. It's really slow. So I just installed the modem like 5 minutes ago. This will be the first test. Let's go ahead and see what kind of speed it gives us. This is a Starlink internet. So it's giving us about 60, so the satellite's probably still moving. 76. And the upload is kind of low. Okay, so we're downloading an update right now for the Fall Guys. This is on the PlayStation 5 connected wirelessly. That's the kind of speed we're getting.